Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm going to unboxing the Element Z-88 Super Scholar RGB keyboard, gaming RGB keyboard. Ta-da! Okay. Okay, it comes with a bubble wrap. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it feels good, man. I don't know why, but I'm really excited about it. Okay, this, and it comes also with the manuals. So I believe that the Element Z-88 RGB Mechanical Keyboard doesn't come with the software, CD software, to be set up the lights manually. Okay, it's okay. So this is the gaming mechanical keyboard, which is it only has 81 keys. We also have the full version, the 104 keys, but for the today unboxing, this is the 81 keys. So it comes with a black caps with a blue switch. Okay, can you hear that? So the plate is a brushed metal, so it feels exclusive with a cheap price of around 220 ringgit, 230 ringgit, something like that. So it's very cheap in RGB, you know, RGB mechanical keyboard. Okay, so the back, yeah, open it. Okay, it feels exclusive and compact gaming mechanical keyboard. It doesn't come with a braided wire, but for me it is okay because for the cheap price, the RGB itself, yeah, nothing much to complain. So that's all for the unboxing. Let's go for the click sound. So now we are going to test Outemu switches. So yeah, here it is. So then we are going to the RGB lights. Okay, now we are going to test the RGB lightning. So when it say RGB, it has 7 light mode, 7 lights. Then it has several modes. So this is the first mode, which is as the lit steadily mode. So if you left white, so this is color for you. If you want to change the light, so press function key minus. So you can change any color that you want. Okay, I left white. So next, so then second one is the breathing mode. So this is the breathing mode. If you want to change the color, if you want something else, so just click for the function key, plus and minus. So next one is the gaming mode. It has a WSAD. Okay, next one. So it is the colorful neon. So how you want to increase the speed? Just kind of function key, right, and then we'll light faster. Next one. This is called key lightning mode. You also can change the color according as white you want and white you love. Okay, next. Okay, it looks very so pretty, right? Yes. Next one. So this thing also you can change the key by simply clicking the FN. So this is colorful. Okay. So this is the next mode. We can adjust the speed. Yeah, just simply click function key and to the left, so it will go more slowly. We can change the direction from right to left, clicking the function key minus, and then if you click the plus, so it can go from the left to the right. What's the choice? So this has no, there's no light at all. Yeah, so I think enough. If you are interested to have for today, cheapest RGB gaming mechanical keyboard, so the Element Z-88 Super Scholar with 81 keys. It comes with a blue switch and a black switch. It is the best for you, and you can get it for around 220 ringgit. So until next time, bye and assalamualaikum.